working. Tried changing the bulb already, and that bulb was good. So I'm going to test it. I have my tester with me, but I do have my screwdriver, so just with holding only the insulated portion, I'm going to bridge the leads. And we have no power, so somehow I have no power to this outlet, to this switch. And it's most likely from the switch on the other side of the wall, from the outlet. I lost the connection from the line and the load. This wall borders that wall, so it's most likely from this outlet right here. So pull it apart and take a look. New outlet, and I can see it has looks like it has wires on the bottom and the top. Looks like the neutral's not inserted all the way. So obviously they insert that all the way, should be okay. Inserted the neutral the rest of the way, give it a check. There it is. Alright. Back it down. Yeah. Alright, all fixed. And